the original learning stuff that he did. Let's play rook c7 here. And I'm gonna go queen c1 or queen c2 to line up rook c8 ideas. Queen d6 is actually a very good move potentially. If I move my queen, I lose the pawn. So let's take this one. I still guard the pawn on d4 here. No, Daniel stuff. If you're an amateur player, absolutely. No, if you're an amateur player, Daniel's content, like if you're like 18, 1900, that stuff is really good. Daniel's stuff is really good. If you're a serious amateur, Daniel's by far and away the best, without a doubt, in my opinion. Yeah. Every time I see a Levy video, it's about Magnus. It's whatever gets the clicks. That's what I said before. And it's unfortunate that's how YouTube works this way, but you become a slave to the algorithm, and you literally have to do certain things. That's just how it is. It's just a reality. Now I have knight f7 to fork the queen and the rook here. Again, it's a tactic. It's not the only way to win the game. I could also try to go like queen d2, rook c1, and rook c7 as well. That's another way to play it. Let's just take the rook. And now what I want to do in order to win the game is I've got this great rook king is stuck. So either I want to trade the queens. I can also go queen e2, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go queen to g4 and play rook c1, rook c7. Let's trade and go rook c1 here and rook c7. And now here I'm going to stack the rooks on 7. I'm going to go for a checkmate pretty quickly. Do you like kick so far? I think kick is fantastic. I have no issues. I'm enjoying it immensely. Far more than I actually initially thought I might. Like I thought that I wasn't sure. I thought I might split my time 50-50 between Twitch and kick originally, but it's just, yeah, it's been a breath of fresh air. Far less trolls, a lot more of the hardcore fans. Of course there are a lot of juicers who are coming over to the site now as well, but a lot more of the hardcore fans, a lot less of the stupid trolling nonsense. So overall, yeah, my experience has been extremely positive so far. Extremely positive. Go rook d7. Yeah. Now here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go check, and I'm gonna split the rooks here. I'm gonna play rook h7, and then he's gonna actually get laddered, I think, no matter what he does. This is actually a very important concept. It's very counterintuitive to check and then split the rooks. If I move the rook this way, he can keep the king one square away from the rook, but I split the rook far, and now when he takes, he can't actually stop the ladder because the rook is over here instead of g7. So when he goes over, I mate him, but the rook here, he can go over and stop the mate. So this is sort of a little bit counterintuitive. Just checkmate.